Oh, I need to stop hiccuping. Hey, they're gone, they're gone. They're gone, Kirk. They're not here anymore. I made them go away. Oops.
Shut up.
Oh boy. Oh, he's offline. He quit Skype. Oh, he quit Skype. Oh. Yeah. Oh my god. I need to stop. That's too much, dude. Oh, he left. Oh, dude. He hung up. He quit Skype.
Hello.
Oh, I got the hiccups, Kenny. I made Carrot quit Skype. I was
Noob.
I was hiccuping so much he got so oh mad.
Dude, Carrick's such a noob. Am I right?
Dude.
Yeah.
Oh, I made him quit Skype because I can't stop hiccuping.
Cause you kept what?
I couldn't stop hiccuping. Oh.
Hey, I won't hang up if you hiccup. So,
Are you sure you won't? Are you sure you won't hang up if I hiccup? Carrot?
nah.
I mean, Kenny?
Nah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, hold on.
Nope.
Hey, Carrick.
Lucky.
What?
I,
Carrick, I stopped hiccuping.
are you serious? I will hang up again. And turn off Skype.
I really did, Carrick. I really stopped hiccuping. Don't hang up, please. Carrick.
Alright, if you stopped hiccuping, you're good.
I stopped. Oh, dude. Pranked you, bro. Oh my god. Oh, pranked you, bro. Oh, dude. Oh. Pranked you, bro. Oh, oh my god, dude. Oh. I made him get offline again. Oh my god, he is so mad. I don't think he's gonna get back on. Oh, he's back on, BRB!
Alright.
Oh. They're gone. They're gone. They're gone. They're gone. They're gone. They're gone. Carrot. It's just a little one. It's just. It's just a little one. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 Kenny.
Yeah.
Oh, that was so good. Oh, I trolled Carrick so hard. Oh boy. Oh, oh, dude. Oh, Kenny.
Yeah.
Oh, Kenny. Oh, Kenny.
Oh, Tyler.
Dude, I have. I have such the hiccups, dude.
Hey, I don't care if you have the hiccups or you don't have the hiccups, but I won't hang up on you if you do have the hiccups.
Oh, I don't think Carrick's gonna come back, Kenny.
Carrick's big noob.
Oh boy. Oh. Woo! Woo! Carrick, they're gone. They're gone. Oh, I just had a little bit of a burp there, Carrick. That wasn't a hiccup, but they're gone now.
Tyler,
Yeah?
go drink some water.
No.
Tyler,
Yeah?
take a sip of water.
I don't have the hiccups.
Tyler, listen.
I don't have the hiccups.
Listen to me or I'm leaving.
Okay, I'll listen to what you have to say. I'll listen.
Alright. What you have to do is you have to take a big old gulp of water.
Yeah.
Tyler, then
I'll control it.
sit on your head like you're sit upside down, and then drink the water.
So, basically what you're telling me is I have to drink water upside down,
Yes.
and that'll fix my
God, he's
hiccups?
the loudest person I know. What's up, Kenny?
What's up, Karate?
Sorry, Carrick. I can't help it, Carrick. It's just, Carrick, I get so nervous around you, Carrick. I just get so nervous.
That makes it all better, dude.
Oh, dude. That was so
Teamwork
funny.
makes the dream work.
Oh, boy. Oh.
Hey, Kenny, is your sister still freaking
It all works out in the end, Carrick. It all works out in the end.